Today we'll study about mechanism of steroid hormone. Steroid hormones are derived from lipid cholesterol, example testosterone and estrogen. These are produced from the gonads, testes and ovaries respectively. Apart from this, there are hormones such as aldosterone and cortisol secreted from the adrenal glands. Aldosterone plays a very important role in osmoregulation and cortisol plays a role in metabolism. Now these lipophilic, that means these steroid hormones are lipophilic, that means they can easily pass through plasma membrane or nuclear membrane. Therefore, the receptors for these hormones are present within the cytosol and not on the plasma membrane. Now when this steroid hormone passes easily, it can easily pass through and move to the cytosol and find its receptor and bind to it. When hormone binds, this is the for example, this is the hormone, it binds to its receptor and forms hormone receptor complex. Now when steroid hormone bind to its receptor within the cytosol or within the nucleus, in either case this binding generates a hormone receptor complex. Here this is the hormone receptor complex after binding, and this complex moves towards the chromatin in the cell nucleus and binds to a particular segments of the DNA. Now when binding of the hormone receptor complex takes place to the DNA, it stimulates the synthesis of mRNA, which codes for a specific protein. Then the mRNA leaves the nucleus, it moves out of the cytoplasm and binds to the ribosomes, where it directs the synthesis of a specific protein. This is the hormone receptor complex. It binds to particular segments of the DNA, and here it stimulates the synthesis of mRNA. When the mRNA is produced, when this mRNA is produced, then it moves out of the nucleus and it binds to the ribosomes, and it then there is production of a specific protein. The newly synthesized protein produces the cell's response, for example secretion of new protein, and thus the action of steroid hormones takes place. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel, and we will be uploading such videos which may be important for NEET examination.